So alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just got something delivered by FedEx today that's pretty exciting. So I've been involved fishing with drones for a little bit, off and on for a couple of years, lightly, and I see these SwellPro drones that people are using. And the SwellPro is real nice because it's one of the drones that's truly designed for fishing. So there's several people that are making drones out there for fishing, including like the Gannet stuff, and they're all nice. So I have a DJI Inspire 2, which is an incredible drone. The thing about it is I'm always afraid of the electronics, and I can't really run my drone in the morning. So what I've done is I bought a SwellPro. So I got on the phone with the guys a couple of days ago, ordered a SwellPro drone. Well, actually I got on the phone a couple of days ago, talked to him, ordered it yesterday, and it's already here. So here is the drone. So let me come up a little bit closer where you can see this. So here's the box. Okay, so let me pop this open. So the box is almost just like the DJI Phantom 4. Wow, this is nice. So we've got the controller here. So this model came with a controller. Well, all drones have a controller, don't they? Okay, so that's exciting. Here's the drone. It's the SwellPro, the FD version for fishing. I got the one with the camera and the drop. So this is what we got in the box here. One battery. I did order 9 batteries in total. Here's a charger, propellers. So I got the kit that's the package that has the controller, the camera, and it comes with 3 batteries. Let's see what else we have in the boxes here. So I ordered this with 9 batteries. I think these are the goggles. So some of the batteries I should have received today, and then some of them I think are going to be on order. So let's see. So I got okay, I got 3 extra chargers because I'm going to be running 9 batteries. And here's an additional battery that I've got along with this one. These are the 6500 lithium batteries, the XT90s. Let's see what else we got. I got another package that may be in the office that has other stuff. I think this is the goggles. Okay, so we've got the goggles here, or you can separate this and use it with a, I think you separate this and you can use it with a controller. Well, I'll do it later. So here's the goggles, and this is a drone. But I'm excited about this because this can lift about 4.5 pounds and run a line out 500, 700 yards, and I got a whole bunch of batteries. So as opposed to the other drone that I had, the thing I'm excited about this, I can run this thing out in the morning. I don't have to worry about days where there's a lot of spray on the beach. I'm afraid with the DJI drone that I have, man, take that thing out, there's any spray, there's any dew in the area, there's any mist, I'm just going to have problems. So a specially designed waterproof drone, I think, is going to be the ticket. So I'm excited about this because it will help me catch bait, help me fish for tarpon in the surf, help me fish for kingfish, bull reds, 5-6 foot sharks, and of course run the lines for the big ones. So I'm excited about this, and stay tuned because there'll be more SwellPro FD1 videos coming out for me as I explore this and go fishing catch a lot of fish and have some fun. So thank you so much for watching today.
Pulled it out. Good deal.